All right, our AC's on the Jeep has taken a dump, and we're gonna try something out. So let's get the temperature reading first. It's blowing right now. Ooh, it's blowing like hot air. This is what we're gonna try out, guys.
Oh.
What is this?
So this is the AC Pro.
It's supposed to seal in our leaks. I think it's leaking, right?
Yeah. Let's see if it works or not.
All right.
We're gonna be the guinea pig, so.
All right, let's give it a shot.
So I'm waiting for the compressor to kick on. So basically, every time the compressor kicks on, it goes to low pressure, and I just squeeze a little bit for like 2-3 seconds, and I let go. Oh yeah, damn.
And so the sound changed.
Yeah, so now that the system's consistent, you hear the clutch not kick in and out. I think this is actually gonna work. So for me, just feeling it through the gloves, it feels pretty good. Let's check it out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 77, 73.
Oh, man.
69. Let's see how it goes. Who would have thought, right?
Yeah.
Let's see how long it lasts. But I mean, dude, I think it's gonna keep going down.
Well, does it work? AC Pro? So far, yes, it does.
Oh, it'll be bad if it goes down to the 50s.
Because it's on high right now.
Oh, there you go. I think this is gonna get better.
Man, so does this mean we could put our doors back on?
Yeah, so it's basically the gauge is telling me that it's holding pressure. Awesome, this is so cool. I'm so used to the professional machines, and every time we see this, I would never expect this. So it actually works. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but let's see how it does.